Parliament and the Honorable Clerk. We hosted them to a very hearty lunch, and they were impressed to find matoke, a delicacy in Uganda. And we hope that this integration, this is the way to go, Mr. Speaker. When you see a delegation from our brother country, Uganda, visiting us, it also, by extension, invites us as Kenyans to also visit the Parliament of Uganda so that we can learn. Mr. Speaker, I was impressed to learn that in their country, committees don't serve for the entire tenure of 5 years. You are appointed to serve for 2.5 years. After 2.5 years, you again get a fresh appointment from your whip. So this is very good. We're impressed. We wish you a fruitful stay in the city of Nairobi. And we appointed Senator Mundigi to lead the social interaction. And he tells me that tomorrow there will be a dinner between a few Kenyan members of parliament and the Ugandans. When you go back to Uganda, please say hi to our Museveni. We are happy with what he's doing with LGBT. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Honourable Senators, I also have this communication to make. I would like to acknowledge the presence in the Speaker's Gallery this afternoon, a visiting delegation from the County Assembly of Kisumu. The delegation comprises 9 members and 4 officers of the Committee on Delegated Legislation who are on a benchmarking visit with their counterparts in the Senate. Now, Honourable Senators, I request each member of the delegation to stand when called out so that you may be acknowledged in the Senate usual tradition. The Honourable Mariam Abeid, the chairperson. The Honourable Peter Obaso. The Honourable James Omolo. The Honourable Harriet Bodo. The Honourable Samuel Dede. The Honourable Mickey Ochieng. The Honourable George Abaja. The Honourable Regina Kizito, the Honourable Moses Ochele, Pastor David Ochieng, Ms. Brenda Chasi, Mr. Zachary Nyalalo, and lastly, Ms. Jacqueline